My dear learners, I think you all are okay. Today I am going to take a grammar class and it is English grammar. Dear learners, why should we learn English grammar? And why should we learn grammar as a whole? There is certainly a purpose. And what is that purpose? We have to learn grammar to know the language correctly. You have to learn grammar to speak any language correctly and systematically. তাই আজকের ক্লাসে আমি তোমাদের ইংলিশ গ্রামারের একটা বিশেষ প্রকারের গ্রামার নিয়ে ক্লাসটা করব। সেই বিশেষ প্রকারের গ্রামারটা কি গ্রামার হতে পারে? অবভিয়াসলি সেটা হচ্ছে ফ্রেজাল ভার্ব বা গ্রুপ ভার্ব বা প্রেপোজিশনাল ভার্ব সংক্রান্ত একটা ক্লাস। ওকে, you have an idea about verbs. ওকে, এখন আমরা শিখতে চলেছি ফ্রেজাল ভার্ব বা গ্রুপ ভার্ব। Dear learners, I want to give you an example. Suppose Nila loves. Nila loves. এখানে এই যে loves এই ওয়ার্ডটা এটা একটা ভার্ব and it's a simple verb. Okay, loves. নীলা হাসে। নীলা loves. Here loves এটা একটা simple verb. এরপর যদি এরকম করে বাক্যটা বলা যায়, নীলা loves at the poor. নীলা দরিদ্রকে উপহাস করে। Now, see my dear learners, now think out, when we use love, Nila loves, then love is a simple verb. But when we use Nila loves at the poor, here the word or the verb love takes a preposition after it and it expresses a special kind of meaning, that is ridicule, উপহাস করা। Laugh at means ridicule. Nila loves at the poor means Nila ridicules the poor. তাহলে এটার থেকে তোমরা একটা এর ডেফিনিশন তৈরি করতে পারবে। What is group verb? Group verb is that verb which takes a preposition after it and expresses a special kind of meaning, an idiomatic meaning. Okay, group verbs are also called phrasal verbs and they are also called prepositional verbs. এটা একটা যৌগিক ক্রিয়া, কম্বাইন্ড ভার্ব তৈরি করছে। তাই গ্রুপ ভার্ব একটা কম্পাউন্ড ভার্ব এবং এর একটা ইডিওমেটিক মিনিং আছে। এখন কতগুলো গ্রুপ ভার্ব তোমাদের শিখতে হবে। এই গ্রুপ ভার্বগুলো প্রত্যেকটি কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সামে এসে থাকে। তাই my dear learners, this video will be highly beneficial to those who are students and also to those who are examinees. Okay, প্রথমে দেখো, লক্ষ্য করো। Number 1, the sentence is number 1, follow it. Over exercise affected his health. Over exercise affected his health. So what will be the phrasal verb that will be used in place of affected? It will be told upon. Okay, affected means told upon. I am writing this, please follow. Told upon. You have to write the sentence in this way. Over exercise told upon his health. Okay. Next, number 2. They abolished the custom. They abolished the custom. What will be used here in place of abolished? The phrasal verb or group verb is did away with. Okay. Abolished means did away with. I'm writing this. Did away with. Okay. After that, try to follow the next example. Number 3. 1 completed, 2 completed. Number 3. The meeting was postponed. Very important sentence. The meeting was postponed. In place of postponed, you have to use put up. Okay, put up. Put up. Oh, double F. Put up. The meeting was put up. Next, follow number 4. Save something for the old age. Save something for the old age. The underlined word is save. What will be the group verb? And you have to write that group verb in place of save. Save means lay by or put by. Okay, I am writing lay by. Save means lay by. Lay by means save. Please mind it. The form of the verb. I want to say to you, এখানে ভার্বটা যে টেন্সে আছে, যে ফর্মে আছে, ফ্রেজাল ভার্বটা অর্থাৎ গ্রুপ ভার্বটা তোমাদের ইউজ করতে হবে সেই ফর্মে বা সেই টেন্স মেনটেন করে। ওকে, তাই ফ্রেজাল ভার্বে অনেক সময় চেঞ্জ করতে হয়, এটা মাথায় রাখবে। নেক্সট, নাম্বার 5. Chayanika resembles her mother. Chayanika resembles her mother. Resembles in Bengali সদৃশ হওয়া বা দেখতে একই। Okay, resembles. The sentence is in simple present tense. Okay, s is added to the main verb resemble. Chayanika resembles her mother. The appropriate group verb will be, in this case, takes after. Okay, takes after. The sentence is now, Chayanika takes after her mother. Okay, follow the next example. Number 6. Extinguish the lamp. Extinguish, নির্বাপিত করা। Extinguish the lamp. The verb is in present form. The phrasal verb will be put out. Okay, put out. You have to write the sentence using group verb. Put out the lamp. Okay, follow the next example. Number 7. I cannot tolerate such an insult. Tolerate, সহ্য করা in Bengali. I cannot tolerate such an insult. The underlined word is tolerate. The group verb will be in place of tolerate, put up with. Very important, very common. Okay, tolerate means put up with. Let's see. Put up with. Next, please follow the next example. Number 8. He supported me. Supported. Underlined word. Supported. What will be the group verb in place of supported? Supported means stood by. Okay? Let's say stood by. Stood by. Stood by means supported. If I write the sentence, he stood by me. Okay. Next, number 9. The old man was tired. The underlined word is tired. In Bengali, tired means ক্লান্ত, তোমরা সবাই জানো। টায়ার্ড, এই জায়গায় টায়ার্ডের পরিবর্তে কোন ফ্রেজাল ভার্বটা ইউজ করা যাবে? টায়ার্ড মিন্স ডান আপ। ওকে, লিখছি ডান আপ। The sentence will be, the old man was done up. Okay. Next example, number 10. Please summon a doctor. Please summon a doctor. Summon means call. এখানে summon এর পরিবর্তে কোন ফ্রেজাল ভার্বটা ইউজ করা যাবে? গ্রুপ ভার্বটা হবে please call in a doctor. Okay, call in. Call in. The sentence will be, please call in a doctor. Next, number 11. He visited my office. Visited. The phrasal verb will be called at. Visited means called at. Let's say called at. Called at. The sentence will be, after using group verb, he called at my office. Next example, number 12. He has demanded an explanation. The underlined word is demanded. Demanded means called for. Okay, called for. লিখছি called for. Called for. The sentence will be, after using group verb, he has called for an explanation. Okay. Please follow the next example, number 13. His plan failed for want of funds. Okay, failed. The appropriate group verb for this sentence in place of failed, what will be? Failed means fell through. Okay, let's say fell through. Okay, the sentence after using group verb will be, his plan fell through for want of funds. Okay, very interesting English grammar. Please try to learn the grammar strongly and flawlessly. Okay, next, number 14. Bhuvan has not appeared yet. The underlined word is appeared. Appeared means turned up. The phrasal verb is turned up. Okay, let's say turned up. Turned up. The sentence after using group verb will be, Bhuvan has not turned up yet. Okay. Next example, the last one. The tiger was chasing a deer. The tiger was chasing a deer. The underlined word is chasing. Okay. The group verb for this place will be running after. Okay. Let's say running. After. The sentence after using the group verb will be, the tiger was running after a deer. Okay, my dear friends, এইভাবে জাস্ট এইভাবে দিনের পর দিন প্র্যাকটিস চালিয়ে যাও। ফ্রেজাল ভার্ব সেন্টেন্সের মধ্যে ইউজ করা শেখো। সেন্টেন্স এবং ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ সত্যিকারের সুন্দর হয়ে উঠবে। ওকে, আমি পরবর্তী ভিডিও নিয়ে তোমাদের কাছে আবার আসবো। ওকে, আই উইশ ইউর বেটারমেন্ট ইন ইংলিশ। আজকের ক্লাস এখানে শেষ করলাম। বাই।